Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset feed on Instagram. First we'll launch up Instagram right here. And all you need to do guys is first click on your profile icon. So you're at the bottom right. You see this is my profile icon. And then all you do guys is come here at the top right and click on these three horizontal lines. So we'll click on this and then we are able to access our settings. So I want you to scroll down, okay? Keep scrolling down until you reach this part where you see this section, what you see, and here you'll see content preferences. I want you to go ahead and click on this, okay? So under content preferences, you will see this last option. It says recent suggested content. Go ahead and click on this, and then basically you'll get a fresh start, okay? They will reset your feed, so go ahead and click on next. And then guys, go ahead and click on reset suggested content. And when it gives you this prompt, basically it's telling you that it cannot be undone. Okay, just go ahead and click on reset suggested content. And your feed will now be reset. As you can see, it is resetting my feed. And now my algorithm is completely new. There you go, we got a confirmation as well. It's really that easy and simple.